Hi, my name is Rafael and I'm with.
Catherine.
And in this video, we'll be showing you a thorough demo of our AI-powered learning homework assistant, Orbot. So the first thing you want to do when you enter our page is click this button down here that says Get Started. Here you can log in with your credentials if you already have one with Orbot, or you can sign in using Google. Like so. But for this example, we'll try registering a new account. Let's give Jonathan a new account here. With a new email as well. And a password. After creating your account, you can see that the new email will be shown here in Neon database. Just give it some time to refresh. So here is the email that we signed up before from Orbot or Jonathan Josar. Let's log in using the email that I usually use for testing. And here we have the dashboard.
So once you've logged in, it'll show the dashboard, which will show the name that you registered with up here, the total amount of questions that you've asked, the total amount of questions that have been answered, and the total amount of questions that have been left pending. This happens when an API call likes to lag, and when this happens, you can just re-ask the question again. So down here, you could also bookmark the questions that you've asked by clicking the star icon. It shows up the number of bookmarks, what questions have been bookmarked up here when you click the button. You could also filter the subjects that you've asked. As you can see, there's a lot of questions here. You can also filter it by clicking subjects. For example, math and biology. These are the questions that have been asked under those subjects, and you can clear the filter up here. You could also view the question by clicking this. It gives the status and the date of when you asked the question. And in order to ask a new question, you can click Ask Here or Ask Me Here. They both send you to the same page.
Okay, so now we're at the Ask page. And we can select which subject we want our question to be. And you can also upload your homework photo using OCR. For example, let's use this question that we have prepared beforehand. It will scan the image and give you the text that is inside the image as your question. Select math for a math question. And here you have an explanation straight from Orbot itself. You can also ask a follow-up question. And it will give you a follow-up. We also have a feature where if you ask any question, like the same question we asked you previously, and you select a wrong subject. For example, this is obviously a math question, but you selected history as its subject. It will say that this question doesn't fall under history. However, Orbot will still be happy to help you.
So this is the history page, which shows all of your submitted questions. Here's a list. And you can filter them based on answered or pending or all. For example, this is the answered and this is the pending. There's only 3, and then answered is all. Basically all that has been answered. And from here, you can also view the question, rename the question, or delete the question. So first, we're going to try to rename it. And then you can click to save here or to cancel. So I'll be clicking save, and it changes the name here. Then I'll be deleting it. You can delete it by clicking this, and the question is gone. You can also check which questions have been bookmarked up here. It's the same feature as the dashboard. It shows the bookmark questions down here. You could also search a question that you've asked before. See, it shows up here what question you've asked before. And you can select it by clicking view. This is the question.
Okay, so now we're at the profile page. Here you can see the total amount of questions you have asked, and you can change the display name and also your current password and new password. You can also save changes, by the way.
Once you are done with Orbot and you want to switch accounts or log out, you can click the log out button over here, which will send you back to the login page. Thank you.
Thank you.